Dear students, this is Swiganapa, Physics lecturer from Minority Morality Desai Residential PU College, Raichur. Dear students, today we are going to discuss one of the concept that is conductor, insulator and semiconductor. The first here, what is the meaning of conductor? What is the meaning of conductor? Conductor, it is a material or substance which can allow electric current through it. Those material considered as a conductor. Okay, it is material which can allow electric current through it. Electric current through it is called we can say this is conductor, or we can say with another definition, it is the substance which can allow the electric charges through it is called conductor also we can say. So here in case of conductor we have charge carriers. In case of conductor, charge carriers are free electrons. Free electrons are the charge carriers in case of the conductor. They can ask one more question, what are the charge carriers in case of the conductor? So we have to say the free electrons. Or they can ask what are the charge carriers in case of metals? There also we have to use word, that is free electrons are the charge carriers. Okay, so here for conductor, if you consider this is the conducting material. For this conducting material, if you supply the heat, to the conductor, this is conductor. If you supply the heat to the conductor, its conductivity is decreases and increase the temperature. If you increase the temperature to the conductor, its conductivity goes on decreases. But the conductivity is decreases, but resistivity is increases, and also resistance is also increases in case of the conducting material. So example for conductors, all metals here, best example for conductor, and living trees also example for conductor, and human body is also example for conductor. Earth is also, we can say that is also conductor. These are example for conductors. All metals, examples are all metals, and living trees and human body. Earth is also conductor. This is a story about conductor. The next one we have to discuss insulator. Okay, insulator. Again, we can say that is the definition or definition of this insulator. It is a material which cannot allow the electric charge through it. It is the substance which cannot allow the electric charges through it. Such type of the materials we consider as a insulator. It is material. It does not allow electric current through it. Electric current through it is called we can say this is insulator. Okay, so here we have the free electrons here in case of the conductor, but practically there is no any free electrons. No free electrons. No free electrons in case of the insulator. But does not affects by temperature. It does not affect by temperature, but here we are observing in conductor, but in case of insulator it does not affect by conductor as well as by heat, all those things. Here we can this is if we consider this is insulating body. If we take another insulating body, that is silk or whatever it may be, these two are rub against each other. If you rub this with a silk up to this area, charges are developing on this surface where we rubbed with the silk. There also charges are present, but these charges cannot move. That's why in case of insulator there is no any conductivity takes place due to there is no movement of electric charges, but electric charges are developing by rubbing, but where we rubbing area there also charges are present. Those charges cannot move, they will be remains in the same position. Okay, then examples for insulator. All non-conducting materials are considered as an insulator. For example, we can take plastic and rubber, paper, glass, and wood. These we have more number of examples. Just I consider 3 examples: plastic, glass, as well as wood. These are all example for insulators. Okay. So then another one is semiconductor. The semiconductor means it is electrical property lies between conductor and insulator. So we cannot say this is the insulator. We can't say this is a conductor. This semi means it is half of the both conductor as well as insulator. Therefore, we can define the semiconductor. Semiconductor, it is a material. It's having electrical property lies between conductor and insulator. Is called a semiconductor. It's a electrical property. Electrical property lies between conductor and insulator. Conductor and insulator is called a semiconductor. Here, charge carriers. In case of semiconductor, we have two types of charge carriers here: holes and electrons are the charge carriers in case of the semiconductor. They can ask for one more question: what are the charge carriers in case of the semiconductor? Only we have the two charge carriers, holes as well as electrons are the charge carriers in case of the semiconductor. Okay. So then example for semiconductor, we can take here germanium as well as silicon. So these are the best example for semiconductor. Also we have the many number of examples in there. Just we discussing a little bit concept regarding semiconductor, because in the second year we have the 14th chapter, the semiconductor. There we will discussing in detail. Okay. So here, what happens if you take this is the, just we can consider this is the semiconducting material, or we can take germanium or silicon. For this semiconducting material, we apply the heat, supply the heat. When we supplying the heat to the semiconducting material, its conductivity increases. Along increase the temperature to the semiconductor, its conductivity is also increases, but conductivity increases, but resistance as well as resistivity is decreases, which is exactly opposite to the conductor. Okay, here the conductivity is increases, resistivity and resistance is decreases in case of the semiconductor. Okay, so this is the about semiconductor. So you have a lot of things in the second year 14th chapter. It's enough here. Also, the semiconductor having the crystalline structure, um, like this. Just this is they can ask for 3 marks, as well as in PUC, PU board. They can ask for 3 marks or they can ask for 5 marks. Just you have to differentiate them: conductor, insulator, as well as semiconductor. Definition for this conductor, definition for insulator, definition for semiconductor. Then charge carriers for metals, free electron, charge carrier for insulator. Practically no charge for free electrons. Here charge carriers are holes as well as electrons. Example for this and example for this, example for this. And effect of temperature on conductor, effect of temperature on insulator, effect of temperature on the semiconductor. This is just an introduction about conductor, insulator, as well as semiconductor. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you and all.